Hi, it's Sue Derby at Shorewest Realtors with this week's edition of Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. A few weeks ago, I talked about how professional staging can make a big difference when you go to market your house. This week, I'd like to talk about a few things that you can do on your own to get your house staged to sell. First, focus on decluttering. Start with the high traffic areas like the living room, the entryway, the kitchen. Donate items you don't want to take to your new place and organize everything else into drawers and closets. You can pack up the things you really won't need for a couple of months, and that'll save time when it's time to pack up to actually move. Second, give your house a mini facelift. Focus on some quick and easy ways to brighten the place up. Give the walls and baseboards a fresh coat of paint, upgrade the cabinet hardware, and change outdated light fixtures. Lastly, don't forget about the curb appeal. While the buyer's agent is fiddling around with the lockbox at the front door, the buyers are making their first impression while they're waiting on your front porch. Make sure that the front door has a fresh, clean look, trim the hedges, plant a few flowers to add some color. Pressure washing the walkway, the driveway, and the deck can make a big difference too. If you're hoping to get top dollar for your house, let's connect. Travis and I have lots of tips for getting your house staged to appeal to the widest range of buyers. Thanks for tuning in to this week's edition of Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. This is Sue Derby at Shorewest Realtors, your local realtor ready to work hard for you. And if you have any friends or family that are contemplating a move, please pass along our information. Travis and I promise we'll work very hard for them too. Thanks again.